Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, now we see example 8.7 which is there in the page number 109. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 m/s power minus 2. It can also be read as 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction to the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes, now the question is that calculate the distance it travels during this time, means during these 2 seconds. Here let us write the given data. Given. Let us read the question once again. The car produces an acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by A. Given acceleration is 6 meter per second square. 6 meter per second square. But here you observe this acceleration, it produces acceleration that is in the opposite direction to the motion. That is the reason we need to take a negative. Here you do understand that if the speed is increased, then we will get the positive acceleration. If the speed is decreased, then we will get the negative acceleration. This is also called deceleration or retardation. Okay. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop, so here time taken denoted by, here acceleration I forgot to tell you, it is denoted by A. Now time taken is denoted by T, that is 2 seconds. Now here we need to think about initial velocity and final velocity. If the same car is started from, if the car is started from either rest or from stationary position, in that case its initial velocity will be 0. And if the brakes are applied, means if it comes to the rest, in that case final velocity will be 0. Here you see in this question which will be 0, rather initial velocity or final velocity. The brakes applied, and that too the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes. That means finally the car is stopped. That's why in this case final velocity is 0. Final velocity denoted by small v is 0 meter per second. Since it is in meter per second square, it is in second, so I am taking here meter per second. Now the question is that calculate the distance traveled. Distance traveled means we should find the s, value of s. But here you do understand that there are 3 equations of motion. First one is v is equal to u plus at. Second one is s is equal to ut plus of at square. And third one is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Clear? When the object is moving with uniform acceleration, then its motion can be described by using any one of these equations. Now here, if you observe carefully, we are asked to find s. That means we can apply either second formula or third formula, or we can say second equation or third equation. If at all if we select second equation, we need t, that is already ready 2 seconds, a, that is also given minus 6, but u is not given. Okay, if we take third formula, a is given, yes anyway we have to find, v square is okay, 0 square, and u is again not given. That means here before finding the distance we need to understand that we should find the initial velocity u also. Without u we cannot find the distance s. Clear? Suppose if you use the first equation v equal to u plus at, using which we can find the initial velocity u. So here let us find initial velocity. Keep subheading as finding initial velocity. Why to find it? That is u. Why to find it? Because without initial velocity, without the value of u, we cannot find the distance traveled. That is what required. So here we know that, or we have, let us write the first formula, first equation, v is equal to u plus at. Since let us substitute the values, we have the values, v is 0. I am writing here 0 is equal to u, that is what we need to find, plus a is minus 6 into t is 2 seconds. So let us add 2. So on simplification, this is 0 is equal to u, plus and minus is minus, 6 to the 12, so minus 12. Let us send 8 to 12 this side, then u will be 12. What about the units? Here you see final velocity in meter per second, time is in second, acceleration meter per second square. So definitely u will be in meter per second only. So we got the value of u, using which we are going to find the distance traveled by the car. Now we enter the exact problem. Now distance traveled by the car, distance traveled denoted by s. S is equal to, here you can use either ut plus half at square or 2s equal to v square minus u square. Here let us use the third formula, which will be easy to simplify. So even you can use second one also. You don't think that okay, using second one is wrong. Using second one also you will get the answer, same answer. So here I am using third one, that is we have 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Let us substitute the values. 2 into a is minus 6 into s. Let us write as it is, because that is what we need to find. Is v square is 0 square, minus u square is minus 12 square. So it is 0 square minus 12 square. Let us simplify. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. Let us send it down. S is equal to 0 minus 12 square is 144. So minus 0 minus 12 square I am writing as minus 12 square, means minus 12 into 12 divided by this minus 12. Clear? So here let us do cancellation. Negative negative cancel, 12 cancel. So here finally we get s as 12. What about the units? Kilometer or meters? It is in meter per second square. It is in second, meter per second, everywhere meter. So this is also in meters. Let us write the conclusion, that therefore, conclusion is very easy, simply copying the question, not complete full question. After the calculate, what is it that can be copied? The distance covered during this time. Therefore, the distance covered by the car is, means within this 2 seconds it covered 12 meters. With this example 8.7 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.